Welcome to the Mayan King Waterfalls, located in the mountain of the southeast side of Belize, only 30 minutes away from Placencia. The waterfall is made up of 3 cascading falls, varies from small, medium to large. On the other side of the waterfalls, you can also explore zip lining, river tubing, and horseback riding. The Mayan King Waterfall is a beautiful piece of gem in Belize that should not be overlooked on your visit to Belize. There's also a small entry fee of $10 to enter the waterfall. I would recommend to use a big vehicle while visiting the waterfall because you have a bumpy ride to get there. And the turkey. Hello. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah? Oh, thank you. Thank you. This is the Flintstone style restaurant that is abandoned.
This is like Flintstone house, yeah?
Yes, Flintstone style restaurant that's abandoned at the Mayan King Waterfall, no longer in use. So anyone wants to go into business with me to start up this beautiful setup, holla at me. Please holla at me because this would be so good for business. People coming here every day, and you know what, we're here right now, 8 of us, and we're dying of thirst. It would have been good if someone was right here taking care of business where we could get some juice, water, little snack, and all of that would be wonderful to have while we are visiting the waterfall. No. Okay, good. Mayan King Waterfall. Swim at your own risk. No lifeguard on duty. So this is the pool area, and that's the waterfall. So we're in a rainforest.
I have the boomerang app without Snapchat.
All right, that's video.